Okay, let's look at some different locks and chokes that you can do with your sticks. One of the first locks you can do is what we call a thumb lock. And as your opponent comes in with a roundhouse or an overhead club attack, you're going to come in and you're going to go past the stick. In other words, you're just going to go 1, 2. You're going to check the stick, hit the stick, check it. Then your hand's going to come back over like so. Left grabs, right grabs, and then go straight down. Okay, again. You come in and check the stick. Now you could have easily have checked the hand if you were in tight enough. But usually you're out with this one, with this stick. Here, come over right on top of that thumb. It's a very weak joint. And then from here, just roll the stick and take them down. Another thing you can do is locks. So another type of lock is through the throat. So as he comes in, we come around, but this time we come up underneath and we wrap this here. Now we got an arm lock here. And we got the throat here, so we can throw him, we can do whatever we want. He's going wherever we want him to go. And then, again, that's just by coming in underneath the arm. So as they do the roundhouse or overhead, just one, come up underneath, or you can just bypass that and come up here depending on where you're at. You got the lock here, and you got the throat strike there. Okay, another thing, a lock you can do is, there again, just like I showed you before, if it's a cross-arm wrist grab, you just pin the hand, bring the butt up over. This is what we call a bent elbow lock or a Z lock. And then you go straight down, like so. Okay, again, so as they grab, we pin. Up, over, right there, and down. Okay. A choke we can do is, just go ahead and sit down, is you can place either the stick behind the neck, like so, and help use it as a brace that way, or I sometimes prefer actually putting the stick across the throat and using it this way. Okay, so any number of the chokes you do, all you have to do is wherever your hand would go. For example, if the hand is like this, you would just put the stick there in its place, and then you would just wrap around it and grab, and you got the choke. Okay, so just keep in mind when you're doing these, any choke or lock that you can do, you can pretty much do the same thing with the stick. You just got to adapt it slightly. And that's how you would do some chokes and locks with the stick. Now continue on through the video, and we'll give you an example of a bunch of Kenpo techniques with the sticks that you can learn as well.